begin. Fighting for my life till the end.
Ma, thank you so much. This time kami naman, kaming magkakapatid naman ang magbibigay sa'yo ng kaligayahan mo. And yun, I love you, Ma.
Don't say I didn't warn you. Told you you were gonna lose. Don't say I didn't warn you. Say I didn't warn you. Ooh, this is real life. This is not a game. Ooh, you're gonna know my name. You're gonna know my name.
Happy birthday, Nay! I love you.
And sana sa birthday mo ngayon ay ma-surprise ka namin. Talagang pinaghandaan namin to, lahat ng effort. Sana mapasaya ka namin sa simpleng okasyon na to. I love you. Happy 65th birthday, Ma.
Ooh, you're gonna know my name. You're gonna know my name. You don't know what you started. I'm not just anybody. You don't know what you started. You're gonna know my name. I know that you ain't ready. I'm not just anybody. I know that you ain't ready. You're gonna know my name.
Basta, lagi magtatandaan, mahal na mahal ka namin bilang aming magulang. Yan, maraming salamat. Happy birthday.
You're gonna know my name.
Hi, Ma! Happy birthday! Hoping na mag-enjoy ka dahil matagal namin tong pinaghandaan. At para sa'yo talaga tong araw na to. At alam naman namin na deserve mo ang surprise party na to para sa'yo. And alam mo rin naman na mahal kita, mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy birthday! I love you so much.
Wish ko maging masaya ka lagi at malusog. Mamimiss kita dahil hindi na kita makikita sa figure mo pag mamamasyal ako. Happy birthday ulit, Mars. Happy birthday! Mabuhay ka lang hanggang gusto mo.
Wow!
Si Mama, lingid sa kaalaman ng karamihan. Napaka-hardworking niya, tapos ginagawa niya lahat
to provide. Silang dalawa ni Papa nung nabubuhay pa si Papa. Tapos, ayun nga, nung wala na si Papa, si Mama na lang ang natira sa amin. Ginawa niya rin lahat to support us, tsaka tumayong haligi ng pamilya namin.